Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna create a very quick and easy makeup look for office going girls. So this is gonna take you around 15 minutes or so. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And let's start with the moisturizer. So this one is a very soothing and hydrating one, and if you have dry skin, always use a moisturizer before heading out. Even if you don't use makeup, using a moisturizer is must. Then I'm using a primer, and what I like about this primer is it has a very peachy undertone to it, and it will cancel out all of the darkness and dullness that you have on your skin. And I'm focusing it on my T-zone area where I tend to get oily the most. Next, to hide my imperfections and acne scars, I'm going to use a color corrector. Now if you don't have anything on your face, you don't have to use it. Next, I'm using a concealer that is close to my skin tone, and I'm using it where it's needed the most. All I wanted is to hide my dark circles and to highlight my face a little bit, and that's it. And applied a generous coat of mascara. Now I use waterproof mascaras because I have watery eyes, and waterproof mascaras, they do hold the curl better. Next, I'm using a nude pencil to my waterline. Now you can use whatever you have. You can use a colorful pencil as well, but I prefer nude pencils to my waterline. For my cheeks, I'm gonna use a tint. Now this one is from the brand called The Face Shop. At first you might think that I have applied a little too much, but this is gonna fade away as the time goes, so I applied a little more than usual. You can use a cream blush or a lipstick as well. I prefer lip tints because the staying power is much longer. So this is gonna stay, okay? This is gonna stay for a very long time. Next, I'm using my beauty blender so that it meshes into my skin. Next, I'm gonna use the same loose powder to lock it down for the entire day. Next, I'm using the same lip stain on my lips as well, and I'm dabbing it with my finger because this is gonna stay the entire day. And then I'm topping it off with a lipstick. Now you can use a red lipstick as well if you are allowed to, but I prefer using nude colors or neutral toned lipsticks, or that is close to pink. I prefer these colors the most, and this lipstick reminds me of my office days. When I was in office, I used to wear this every single day. Then I added a little more highlighter on top, and that's it. That's the finished look. I hope you like it, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you find it helpful, definitely let me know, like this video, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.